Okay, this is my first video. We're going back on one of the many sheds in my backyard to start the snowmobiles that have been sitting for about a month and a half to 2. Okay, mess in here, but won't stop us from starting them. This is my snowmobile, a 1974 Arctic Cat 340 Panther. My dad's machine is a 1973 Arctic Cat Panther 440, and they're both very reliable sleds. The key in mine. Pop a bit on mine. It's very clean inside. Got it. It had no speedometer, no primer, no electric start. Put all that on there. It's a very reliable sled for 340. Has 545 miles on it. Better take these cables off. Pull start. Plug it first. Okay, that's weird. It's been unplugged for a while, so probably decharged a little bit. Even though it has electric start, I will use the pole start. Okay, now I just need to find some place to set the camera. I'll probably sucker twice and everything. But I just gotta find some place to set the camera. Fire starts. Fire fuels. Oh, yes, yes. Okay, there we go. One down. Now I'll start my dad's machine, hopefully. I have to say, this 340, I've gotten it up to 60. Wide open about. It's a very reliable machine. Now, start my dad's, which probably has been started in 2 to 3 months. I ran mine one day. It's just total random. Something. I suppose let's hope this one starts too. Just need to find something. Use my iPod, so it's hard to get balance it. Okay, let's try that. Doesn't roll. A little tipsy there, but I'll still probably get the job done. for quite a while. Counter's dry. Get out and chew game pups. Just about. It's having some problems sucking the fuel. So close. Must be really stubborn. Ooh. Try not to choke. Finally.